This stuff is awesome. Welcome, race fans. This is the old Watkins Glen track. I'm going to do the elevations. Just want to show you how I'm doing them. 100 different ways to do it. Find the easiest and cheapest way for me is to go ahead and take some of this. It was flooring I got from Home Depot. I got a big bundle of this for $7. It has these grooves in here. It used to be flooring. I just cut them maybe about 8 inches, and they're being used for supports. See how everything is glued? So all the 4 lanes are all actually glued together now. They ain't going anywhere. The heights, everything is good on it. There's a few little clicking every now and then. Let me run a car on it. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's a little candy car I got. Vintage candy. Actually, I had that car since I was about 8 years old. It's kind of hard to do this at the same time. It's gonna go real slow here. That's lane 1. And that's the old candy car, G Plus. I'll put this back. And let me show you what I'm doing on this. Let me shut off the power, the track. All right. Now what do I do here is I just put some of this Gorilla Glue on here. Stay a couple inches away from the other side. Just do one of these deals. Let it set up for a minute. Do another one. This stuff expands to 3 times the amount. So that's why I got that. Gorilla Glue comes in different colors, shades, or whatever, and thicknesses, expansion. And I like this, that these flooring had grooves on there to hold the glue a little bit better. And the Gorilla Glue expands. So we got 3. Each piece of track, each section got 1. The bigger ones got 2. That's the 15-inch pieces. Got 1, got 1, 1, 1, 1. It's a hard piece to find right there. 1. And I have 3 power taps. 1 right there. 1 right there, and 1 right over there. So every about 11 to 12 sections of track, there's a power tap. So now all you have to do here is, I'm going to set it down. Hopefully you can see this. I lift it up. And I put 1 there, 1 in the middle over there, and 1 right about there. And move them around a little bit on there so you can get the placement right. Then now all you need is something heavy And I got a 7-Eleven Kiss Slurpee cup with some change in there. So pretty much put them on there like that. Come back in about an hour. Make sure everything's straight. There's no ridges up or anything. They're going to be glued in place just like that. And all of them have been glued in place. And next thing I do is the elevations. Since we have them there, now gives me a base to glue my underpieces to elevate it. The highest point is going to be over there, and that's going to be roughly about 11 inches high, because it gradually goes uphill. And then that's the highest point, and then it goes down, and this will be the lowest point of the track. And as soon as it comes around this turn, it starts to go back up again to closely about maybe 7 or 8 inches there in that section, and then back down to whatever this is, maybe 3.5 inches, 4 inches here. And I left a piece on the side, so when I put my scenery, it will have a platform to drop into, and to something I could glue it to. Because it's all going to be elevated. There's going to be you know, a 4-inch drop off there. There's nothing going to be to put any kind of scenery, cardboard or whatever, and have it attached to the side of the track. So that's why they're like little lips hanging off. I didn't cut them to the size of the track so I can have some kind of foundation for the scenery. All right, next step is to mock up the elevation, and then run the cars around the track, see if there's any problems, and then glue it all in place.